Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to easily add a post to your bookmarks on X. Whether you've come across a tweet you want to save for later or just want to keep track of something important, bookmarking is the perfect way to do it. And don't worry, it's super simple. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're in, scroll through your feed or search for the specific post you want to bookmark. When you find the tweet you'd like to save, take a look at the icons right below it. You'll notice a few options there, but the one we're focusing on is the share icon. It looks like 3 dots connected by lines, and it's usually located near the bottom right corner of the tweet. Go ahead and tap on that. After tapping the share icon, a menu will pop up with several options. From this list, select Bookmarks. That's it. The tweet is now saved in your bookmarks, and you can access it anytime you want. To view your bookmarked posts later, simply go back to your profile or menu and find the bookmark section. All of your saved tweets will be neatly organized there for easy access. And there you have it. Adding posts to your bookmarks on X is quick and straightforward. It's a great way to keep track of tweets that inspire you, make you laugh, or provide useful information. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using X and other apps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.